single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Chenelle Beauty, and I'm coming back with another Goodwill haul. This is the second haul that I am doing from the last time that I went, that I did a vlog on, and I want y'all to just be included in everything that I have bought from the store the last time, because I found so many good things to purchase. So for the low, so the first thing that I purchased is this very cute romper, and it's like a lace and cotton type of romper, and I think I paid about $6 from this I think I paid about $6 for this romper, and it fits so cute, and it's so like cute, classy type, and I hate the word classy, but it's like cute and just like sexy but sophisticated and things like that. Second item that I have purchased is this cute dress, very comfortable cotton type dress, and it comes with two little adorable pockets, and I purchased that with pinstripe pattern, and it comes with this cute little button on the back, and it just fits so cute on me, and it's like a cute little, almost like a summery dress, but I was able to make it work for the fall, and it looks so cute and just dainty, and I just love this dress. It's spaghetti strap. And fun fact, this is a blouse slash dress that I have purchased at Goodwill as well. I had it in my last haul. Very cute pattern, very cute colors. It's just very dreamy and just very pretty and well maintained as well. So the third item I have purchased was this very pretty like jumpsuit dress type of get up, and it has like the cute sleeves, and you bring it up, and it has shorts at the front, which is, I don't know if you can see, but it has like this cute little shorts, right? And then on the back it has like a cape. So it's very pretty and very sophisticated, and you can put it with like a cute necklace and maybe like some cute stud earrings and a cute bracelet and some cute shoes. I wore it with some brown like strap up shoes that goes up to like your knee, with a brown purse that I got from Goodwill that I was showing a few, and it just fits so well with it because it's like a navy blue color and it's a white. That with like a brown color, it just looks so cute together, so I ended up wearing that with that. The second item that I have purchased is this cute dress, very comfortable cotton type dress, and it comes with two little adorable pockets, and I purchased that with pinstripe pattern, and it comes with this cute little button on the back, and it just fits so cute on me, and it's like a cute little, almost like a summery dress, but I was able to make it work for the fall, and it looks so cute and just dainty, and I just love this dress. It's spaghetti strap. And fun fact, this is a blouse slash dress that I have purchased at Goodwill as well. I had it in my last haul. Very cute pattern, very cute colors. It's just very dreamy and just very pretty and well maintained as well. So the third item I have purchased was this very pretty like jumpsuit dress type of get up, and it has like the cute sleeves, and you bring it up, and it has shorts at the front, which is, I don't know if you can see, but it has like this cute little shorts, right? And then on the back it has like a cape. So it's very pretty and very sophisticated, and you can put it with like a cute necklace and maybe like some cute stud earrings and a cute bracelet and some cute shoes. I wore it with some brown like strap up shoes that goes up to like your knee, with a brown purse that I got from Goodwill that I was showing a few, and it just fits so well with it because it's like a navy blue color and it's a white. that with like a brown color, it just looks so cute together. So I ended up wearing that with that. Well, this is a pair of pants that I have bought also from Goodwill. This is like Hollister, which is they always have good fitted pants. And I got these pants and they fit so cute. I actually got them from the girls department. If you watch my vlog, then you'll know that like I shop in the girls department because I am small. So I'm in between like girls and like juniors / ladies. So I have like the best of both worlds. I can shop in any department. And these are Hollister jeans. And they were like very well maintained. They fit so cute. They're stretchy. So I could definitely fit into them. I think though this was maybe put in the girls department by accident, because by the look of the size, I don't think they come in little girl section in the size. But yeah, they are so cute and they are very comfortable. They look brand new and I love to wear these. These will also go very good with the boots that I bought on my last haul. So yeah, they will look very good with the boots that I bought in my last haul, and they are just very cute and comfortable. So I got those, and I also got these very bright jean pants from the girls department as well, and they are Wonder Nature. They are very cute, once again very stretchy, almost give you like a high-waisted type of jean, skinny jean once again. But they are very cute. I can also wear these as a low jean because they are kind of short on the legs. So if I'm not wearing something that is like kind of covering like my calf, I guess you could say, like they can kind of come up a little high waterish, or I could fold them up and make them like capris. So yeah, I got those. The next couple of items that I had got is like just some sports shorts and things like that I could work out in and that I could just lounge around the house in. All of these is from the little girl section too. So the first one, stretchy, right? But they are very cute. And I love these. I love the color, lavender, and it's just mixed with all of these fun colors and stuff like that. So I got these. They are about $2.98 each, so I'll probably pay about $3 for all of these little shorts. The pants, I think, is about, I don't think I paid more than $5 for the pants, the 2 pair of pants. The jumpsuit, I think, was like $5.98. The romper, I think, was about $5.98. I put it in the blog. And the dress, I think, was only like $5 as well. So yeah, these were like $2. Once again, little girl section. Stretch them out, and they are very comfortable, pretty colors, remind you of summer. I also got these very pretty patterns / colors. I don't know if these are little girls because they are a little big for that section, but these might have been juniors. Yeah, I think these may have been juniors. So yeah, but it's like a pretty little pattern. I think I only paid like $2.98 for them, just like the other ones. And then I just got these like plain ones, just, you know, just to get them because I thought they was cute. And I also got these from the little girl section, and this one actually comes with like 2 ties in the front. And I got the pink on the side and the black in the middle. Once again, very stretchy. And just, you know, to have these to have different choices, like just in case I want to work out one day, or if I, you know, just want to lounge around the house or something like that, or doing laundry. I did also pick up some shoes. I think these are the only shoes that I got that I could think of from the last time, but I ended up picking up these wedges / sneakers type shoes. Very cute, very well maintained. I think I paid, actually the price is still on it, $5.96 for these. And they are just very cute, and I could wear these with like some cute jeans. It is about to be winter holiday season, so I think I could use these a lot. And I think these are the only shoes that I bought on the last trip, and they are just very cute, and I just fell so in love with them. I was going to get the sandals that come up to your feet, but they were like $6 / like $7, and I just didn't want to pay for those at that time. So yeah, I didn't get those. But I also got this bag. If you watch my vlog from Goodwill, that you know that I was looking at this bag. I did actually get this, and this was like only like $3.98, so I probably paid like maybe $4 for this bag. Very well maintained and just cute and adorable, and I definitely snagged this bag because it was just so cute and it was inexpensive. And I also got this bag, which is also very cute. And if you see my vlog, then you've seen that I also was looking at this bag, and it has a cute little bow. Again, $2 to $3 I paid for this bag, and it's just very adorable, quilted material in the front. And I have a now later. I was looking for that now later. I had that now later probably in for like 2 days, and I swear when I was at work I was looking for this now later and I couldn't find it, so now I know where it's at. But yeah, it comes with a cute little wallet package. The now later just wanted to get free, and a cute little, like a lot of space for this bag. Paid like $3. I didn't show this bag really detailed, but it does come with like a back pocket, and it also comes again with like a little slot. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then also like a lot of little space for this one. And little bags are in, not really big bags unless you got like a Birkin. And then I also snagged this one bag that was also in the vlog. I also got this one. This one was only like $1.98, so I only paid like $2 for this bag. And it's a cute little, just, you know, bag with like a little flower ruffle design in the front. It comes with a back pocket, and then it also in the inside, as you can see, I actually paid $2.97 for it. The tag is still in there, but that's still very cheap. And it does come with like a little slot, but it also comes with like pretty much a good amount of room when you're just going out for the night or something like that. You know, I wouldn't say necessarily bring this to work, but definitely if you're just going out for the night, you can bring this bag. It's pretty long. So yeah, you know. So yeah, those are the clothes that I have gotten so far. I feel like I'm missing like a pair of capris that I did have in the vlog, but I don't know where I put them. So as of right now, that is it as far as the second haul for Goodwill. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I did catch a lot of good things once again from Goodwill up the street. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends, your family, and your boo thing. Y'all know how I get down. And I will catch y'all in the next video.